Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Nav and I'm here today to show you exactly step by step how you can enroll an entrepreneur pack in ASEA. So first of all, I would like for you to have your own ASEA website. So for me, I already have my 3.0 replicated ASEA website, which is amandanav.myasealive.com. So if you are an associate, you should already know that you have your own ASEA website, right? So let's proceed because one of our associates asked me how can I enroll entrepreneur package. So it's very interesting because that person would like to have a entrepreneur pack which is focuses into building a business. All right, so let's proceed. Number one, right? As you can see, there are options out here, which is join here, buy here, and etc. etc. But of course, for the purposes of this video, let's click join here and make sure that you already know all your details, like for example, your birthday, your IC, and email address, mobile number, and username and everything. So we will find out later on here on this step-by-step process. All right, so let's click now here, join here. Okay, so let's wait for a while. And as you can see, it says here select country. So all you have to do is to click here. And then since our associate who asked me about that questions is from Malaysia. So let's click Malaysia. That one, okay, and click yes. And now second step is this one. It's very, very important for you to click this delivery or this truck close to the cart section. And as you can see, it's here, select your delivery option, which is ship to home, and then Malaysia office picked up. So it's very easy. And of course, if you want to visit the ASEA office here in Malaysia, all you have to do is to click Malaysia office. You can see this is the address. And of course, if you want your product to be shipped to your home, then click ship. Okay, for the purposes of this video, let's click ship to home. All right. And then as you can see now here, so these are the available packages, and I would like to share with you about the entrepreneur pack, which is this one in this option. So if you want to find out what are the products included into this entrepreneur pack, all you have to do is to click this and view the product details. All right. And as you can see, it's here, it's worth 5,119.80, and PV means personal volume, 840 personal volume. And then, of course, for those people like you and like me who are serious into wellness entrepreneur and to build a global business, and this is the best package that you can have, right? So you can see it contains 6 cases of 20 or 24 bottles of ASEA Redox. So this one I'm holding right now. So you will be receiving 6 cases. So each cases include 4 of this bottle. So 24 bottles and 8 tubes of Renew 28. So the big one, 90 ml of this, and this is the samples, 25 samples. All right. And just to let you know that the moment you choose this entrepreneur package, you will be receiving at least 25 sample tube of Renew 28. This is very interesting because this 25 sample worth of 580 ringgit, and then enrollment plus welcome e-kit, which is 60 ringgit, and you don't have to pay for that at all. And then 2 tubes of intensive redox serum. All right, so 380 each. And then you just have to calculate 580, 60 ringgit, and then 380 times 2. And of course, what the process that I'm sharing with you, it's all about member price or associate. All right. Of course, if not member, it's a little bit higher. And then 15% plus Redox reward on your future subscriptions order. So it's very interesting because you will start immediately with a 15% future subscriptions order or your rewards. Okay. And of course, if you want to visit the other entrepreneur package, all you have to do is to check the details in the second option. All right. You can see there are 2 package of skincare, which is you're going to view it here. And then there are, we can like click if you want to, but it's fine, you can click. But again, for the purposes of this video, let's click this one, and you can see the price here, 5,119.80. But upon enrollment, you will be surprised because this will go down to 4,000 plus plus. And it's very, very exciting. Okay. So let's proceed now to click these products, and then let me add to the cart. And then as you can see it here, right? It's included 60 ringgit of the welcome e-kit, but upon enrollment, this will be deducted. Okay. And then click checkout. Let me move that one. Okay. Click checkout. And then this is this third crucial part of enrollment. So make sure that you know how to explain it to your ideal clients or ideal customers, because it's all about having that experience for at least 90 days in order for them to see result. But of course, so many people already shared their testimonies, their experience with us within 1 week, within 1 day, within 2 weeks, 30 days. They experienced something remarkable. All right. So the reason why I suggest that you will consider to have your subscription at the beginning for you don't have to keep, putting or writing or key in your details over and over, right? So less effort and more convenient for you. And let me share with you why you subscribe today. Access to exclusive savings, and then 15% off discount every time, once a year. Of course, you celebrate your birthday every year. So you will have 15% off discount. And then the good news is cancel anytime. So you don't really have to worry about your maintenance or your subscription monthly. And of course, maintain active status required to earn commissions. And if you are like me who would like to build a global business and then you are serious about it to share to others, then I suggest that you have to start your subscription today. In Malaysia, you have to maintain at least 100 personal volume. All right, so let's click this one now, and then we can add your subscription. Okay, and then since the entrepreneur package, right, you don't have this Redox Gold. This is very powerful for relief and recovery, and not this one. You can just scroll up, and then you can see it here. So as you can see this one now, choose a set that has at least 100 PV. So let's say this one, right? As you can see it here, 100 personal volume. Or you can also mix a different products, like for example, one of the Redox Gold, and then you can scroll down, and then you can choose other options. So like this one. So I mean this one 386. I told you just now it's 380, right? So it's 386 actually. So you can just choose this, or maybe you can choose this. So as you can see, 30 PV and 60 PV, or you can like match it together to make it 100 personal volume. So I hope that's clear enough for you. And okay, let's proceed first to this one. Okay, let's just add this to our subscription. I'm going to pay today. So many people are worried about subscription that it will be deducted into their credit card. You don't really have to worry about that, because again, once you already enroll into ASEA, you will have your own ASEA virtual office, and then you can control, you can like manage your subscription, which I'm going to shoot a video separate regarding that subscription. How can you manage it? How can you post it? How can you postpone it? Or how can you delete it? Okay? So nothing to worry about your subscription. I just want you, and I encourage you to do it at the beginning of the enrollment. So less headache in the next few months, right? Rather than like keep keying or putting your details over and over. Okay. So click add to subscription now. And then I'm so excited for you to see the amount of this. As you can see, is the entrepreneur pack 5,119.80, and then the 60 ringgit welcome kit, and total of 5,179.80. And click checkout. All right. And then as you can see it here, right? The 60 welcome e-kit just now that I told you it's already deducted here. And I'm going to key in my personal promo code, which is 10%. And then you will also see another 500 plus discount. Amanda now. So this is my personal promo code. All right. So later on you can see it. All I have to do, right, is to put first my details here. So let's say I'm going to pretend I'm going to use a fake email here. Let's say I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. That's in this gmail.com. Okay. So this is just like a fake one. And then let's say Cora Hoffman. Okay. In terms of this, right, don't key in your, the plus sign. Instead, like 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then shipping address. So let's say our shipping address will be, let's say ground 50 podium and Bangsar South. Okay. Bangsar South. This is just a fake address. And then of course, and then 5200. Okay. And then you can save address. And then now, as you can see it here, the subtotal is 4,600. Let me see. You can see this one. So 4,632.82. Instead of paying 5,119.80, you also get a promo code, which is 10%. And you can see it here, 571.98. Plus, can you imagine, you're not going to pay for the 60 ringgit. And then, as you can see, this one, 25 sample tube of Renew 28, 0, and then intensive redox serum, which is 0. As I said just now, the price of this 25 sample is 580 ringgit, and the intensive is 386 ringgit per one tube. All right. So are you happy with that? 4,632.82. All right. So very, very exciting, right? And of course, we can continue and click. And this one, right, you can see now this one, the subscription. So May 15 will be your next subscription. So you can also edit that if you want to. But again, I will be recording a different video explaining how you can manage your subscription. Okay. And then click checkout. And then, by the way, you can see also the shipping method here, which is 25 ringgit. Okay, very, very exciting. And this one, of course, I'm not going to key in my card. The important thing is I already show you how you are able to enroll your entrepreneur package or your customer or associate. Okay, and then you can key in here your 16 digit and then the expiry, security, and then the name on the card. So make sure that you have to fill in all this. And then of course your billing address, if it's the same as your address, then you can just click here. And then if not, if it's different details, you can just click use different address. Now you can see it here is very clear that you get discount. All right, and I do hope it's clear for you. Don't forget, just in case you're an associate and you also have your own promo codes, and key in it here because it's not automatic, right? So if you want, you just key in here. For me, my promo code is Amanda now. You can also check that into your ASEA virtual office. And I do hope that it helped you and understand the step-by-step process how you can enroll your first business partner. All right, so congratulations. And of course, don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel because I also started how you can improve yourself doing ASEA globally. Okay, so yes, that's it for now. And I forgot to mention you about this, that you have to key in all this information, your birthday. So make sure that your birthday is the same as your passport. Okay, and then social security or government ID, you have to key in here, and then create a password that is easy to remember for you. Of course, you're gonna have to share your password, and then this one is very, very important, right? This business website preview, because this is where you can also share to your ideal clients. And don't forget to check here agreements, and then check out, and then you just have to wait for the next one, and then you will be receiving a code into your mobile phone in order for you to successfully enroll into ASEA. And I do hope it's clear enough. I know it's a little bit long, but it's much better because I would like to walk you through how to enroll into ASEA. So, right, if you have any questions, do let me know. Do comment or reach out to me directly, and I will coach you personally. My name is Amanda Now. I am a mindset fitness coach and at the same time a life coach, helping individuals how can you turn your health challenges into freedom, and at the same time helping individuals how can we unlock their greatness. And I help both men and women how to change their health challenge into freedom and able to live with purpose and move their body with less discomfort. All right. So see you again next time.